Order submitted.
All right, I'm live on YouTube.
Order filled.
It's still technically the summer. I know schools in the south start early, but schools in the north don't. Schools in the north don't start until the last week of August or the first week of September after Labor Day. So
order submitted.
Our little munchkins are still on summer break, and if you wanted to, take your family somewhere, then they could still do it. Cubs game, nice. Leaving work early, let's make money so I feel so much better. Yes, absolutely, let's do it. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. We go live twice a day, every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m.
Order filled.
We'll go over the setups that already traded today and what they did. Some nice results already today. All right, so, and ES isn't this long. This is conservative, and then I have
target filled.
One that I'm testing also. All right, so ZB, this is ZB, which is the 30-year Treasury bond. Let me make sure YouTube is good. Yes. This is the 30-year Treasury bond. This is 1-for-1 for $250. ES on the night is 1-for-1 for $100. Gold is 1-for-1 for $200. Now, 1-for-1 just means it took one trade and it was positive for that one trade. So it's 100% on the day. So it was green. It hit target for $200 on gold. NQ night
order
over
canceled.
here, that was 1-for-1 for ES is 125, NQ is only 100, but I made 225 overnight. So let's see. So ES conservative isn't this long. ES range and RTY are both in a long. We'll see if those can turn back up here. But we were. Do you see how we hit this? This is bold line that I give to people in the premium group. But we'll see. We pulled right back to that box. So see if we can pop up and get this on RTY and ES. This is RTY over here. Oh, no, this is
order
ES.
submitted.
Sorry, this is ES. But RTY is essentially in the same trade.
Target filled.
Let's go. Let's go, ES. We'll focus on this and see if we can move back up here and get that hit. Let's go. Let's go. It's 100% on the week. Both of the night setups are also 100% on the week. NQ night is in the regular subscription. It just uses bold range. It's on the spreadsheet. So just check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Here we go. We're moving up. We're moving up. We're moving
target
up.
Filled.
There we go. Target filled
target
on ES.
Filled.
And target filled on RTY. There we go. Those are both 100% on the week. Both of the nights, ES and NQ, are both 100% on the week. Let's go. See, you don't get nervous from a pullback. Pullbacks are normal. You got to just kind of sit through it. We're still in this ES long on the conservative down here. And this is why for new people it's best to not watch the algo because sometimes they can freak themselves out. So
order
ES
submitted.
night 1-for-1 and Q night 1-for-1. CL on the LAS was 1-for-1. ZB range 1-for-1. GC range 1-for-1. RTY range 1-for-1. Everything is 1-for-1 so far today. Anything that's traded is a 1-for-1. And then we're still in this conservative long on ES. So already on the day, I'm green $907. If I hide my full name here, I can show you guys. $907. So I keep about $10,000 in my account. Right now I have $11,000. So I typically withdraw anytime I'm over $10,000, but you get two on a cash account. You get 2 withdrawals per month that are included / free. After that, you have to pay, I think it's like $40. So I'll typically wait. Like I did it, was it like a $2,000 withdrawal last week? And I won't withdraw today. But it doesn't have to be like a Friday. You can do it any day of the week. So I am green $907 on the day. I can
Order
pull up
canceled.
also my trade performance so you guys can see that. And this is everything. Let me break it down to just my account for the week so you guys can see. And then I just need to hide my name. So August 13th to August 18th, I'm green. I'm just going to have to like follow this over. Oh, how am I going to hide it on YouTube? Oh, you know what I could do? No, I can't.
Order submitted.
I'll take a picture and I'll blur out my account number. I'm green $5,335 on the week. And my win rate is 83.5%. All right, here you go. This is better. All right, I took a picture and I just blurred out my account number. So people on TikTok and YouTube can see this. And it won't be weird. So yeah, there's a NinjaTrader. You can withdraw as much as you want, but they're only going to give you 2 ACH for free each month. You could wire and then pay the wire fee, or you could do another ACH and just pay the fee. I think it's like $40, maybe $50. So $5,335 on the week, August 13th through August 18th. I did have 2 large losses. So if I didn't have a $1,500 loss and a $1,700 loss, this would be even better.
Order
maybe
submitted.
$7,000 on the week. But currently, that's not the case. NQ early is in a long. Let's go. Again, don't be afraid of the pullbacks. They are normal. They happen. We have to kind of just ride through them. So I usually try to like not focus on it when we're in the trade, just so people aren't like freaking out. ES is still in this long. Again, I also like to base things off of the ES conservative. It's typically usually right. Let's go eggs. I got my waffles here. We already got waffles. Now we need some eggs. We're
Target
pushing back
filled.
up. There we go. There we go. Let's push a little more, a little more, a little more. So then we can get all of these eggs for everyone in the group, because I know there's a lot of people trading these and we need to get a nice push. Let's go. Push up, push up, push up. What was that, 73? Let's get over 74. Let's get to like 85. That would be nice. That's nice that you took the loss like a boss. Oh yeah, I take losses all the time. Listen, and this is what I tell my students, the faster or like more comfortable you become with a loss, then the better you're going to be. Like just the better trader you're going to be, the easier it's going to be to become successful. I'm like, the sooner you get comfortable with a loss, the sooner you'll start winning. No joke. Because what people do is they watch trades, either they're manually trading or they're trading with the algo, and they just get in their own way. Their emotions take over. I know it's a normal thing. Your brain is like, oh no, and it takes over, but you have to just keep pushing through. Like you have to trust the numbers, trust your judgment, trust why you got in the trade. And if you take a loss, you take a loss. And then move on to the next trade. Hi, good morning. It's Friday. Currently, I think folks are probably still in this NQ early long, so I'm cheering for that to get a bigger push up. ES is still in this conservative long. See if we can find some room here to buy back up. Also,
Order canceled.
Oh, I don't think I heard any of the stocks doing anything. Oh, maybe they just haven't yet. Maybe they just haven't yet.
Order filled. Target filled.
I took a little scalp there. So what I'll do, if I'm already out of a trade and I know the win rate and I know kind of how it plays out, then especially if it comes back to the box here, I'll take it again. But that is obviously based off of my manual knowledge, so don't just do that.
Order submitted.
Early is still in the trade. There wasn't a loss. right? Or am I wrong? Am I wrong?
Order canceled.
Tell me if I'm wrong, but I think it's still in this trade. One hit TP with the same TP. Griffey hit TP on one of them, and then one of them did not. Oh, it is. It is still in the trade. I'm right. All right, I'm getting a lot of I'm right. Where's Cody at? Well, when I have a loss, it doesn't really bother me. I know it's always going to come back. It's so true. Obviously, my risk was too high, but typically never fails a low risk.
Order submitted.
My PA hit TP. My evals are still in the trade. Okay, so I think most people are still in the trade unless for some reason it busted and like you hit the trailing drawdown.
Order canceled.
It might get south though. It hit TP on 1 out of 5 for Daniel R. Nice. Let's move back up. We're going to get this move back up, guys. Let's get back over 50, and then we got to get back over 75. We can do it. Let's cheer. Where is Mike M with the egg squishy? We got to cheer. Go, NQ, go. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Are you guys still in this? I want to make sure. You can do it. You can do it. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. 75. Go, go, go. Go, we're back at entry. We're back at entry. Go, go, go. Mike M, I need your eggs. Go, go, go. You can do it. You can do it. 75, 80. Let's go. We're back at 70. We're back at entry. We're back at entry. You can do it, NQ. You can do it. You can do it. I believe in you. I believe in you. Just a little more. No, just a little higher. Just a little higher. 78. All right, we're cheering for 78. So that's why I said 80. Ugh. NQ, come on. You can do it. You can do it. Back up. Back up, back up, because this actually plays also with the student call. We haven't gotten anywhere to where we want to be yet, so we definitely need to move back up. See how we're playing that in? No, NQ, back up over 50, over 50, get over 50, go ahead, you can do it, there you go, you can do it, back up over 50, and then 75, and then 80, you can do it. Go ahead. There you go. There you go. No, up, 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 up. There you go. There you go. Come on. 75, and then 80, and then 85. Let's go, eggs. Come on, eggs. You can do it. People on YouTube that are new to this are probably like, what is even happening? What is happening? You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. I believe in you. It's a day to push. We got to push through. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's the weekend. You want to run up. I know you do. Let's go. 70, then 80, 70, 70, then 75, then 80. Lauren, I need you whenever I have a presentation. Come on, NQ. I believe in you. You're at 60. Let's get back to 70, and then 75, and then 80. Go on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, push up, push up. I feel like a little old lady when I make my hand like that. Come on, push up. Go ahead. You can do it. You can do it. Let's get some buyers stepping in. It's 9:46 on Friday, August 18th. Let's go, NQ. Move up. Move your little butt. There you go. There you go.
Order submitted.
There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. I believe in you. We're almost there. A little more. A little more. Up, up. Back up. NQ. Back up. Let's go. You know what else sometimes I like to look at? Not look at, but my eyes. My eyes start to hurt when I'm looking at it on the side here. So sometimes I'll open this order ticket so that it's easier to see the price. Ooh. I saw 61. Let's go. Let's go. We're just going to put this here for a minute because we need to see, well, I'll move this up so we can still see that. Come on. You can do it, NQ. You can do it. You can do it. Let's get back to 70, 70, and then 80. Cheerleading at its finest. It's so true. If you want more information about my algorithm, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Back to entry at 70. Let's go. Let's go. You can do it, NQ. You can do it, girl. Push. Push. It's Friday. Push it up. Let's go. Let's go. Back to entry. We're at 67. Oh, we were a second ago. Student call on point done for the day. Nice job, Jason. Nice job, Jason. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And really be done for the day, Jason. Turn it off. Go have some lunch with your wife. Let's go. Let's go. 67. Let's go 70. Let's go. Let's go 75, 77, 80. 80. 80. Let's go. Eggs, eggs, eggs. Eggs in the chat. Eggs in the chat. Eggs. Let's go. Also, ES Conservative, green $450 here. Eggs in the chat. Are we posting in the group? Let's go. Eggs. Let's go. Yes, I know. I was excited too, K Lavender. All right, so now we can add NQ early to the 1-for-1 on the day. Let's go. Everything is 1-for-1 on the day. That was a long cook. What? What? I don't know what that means. Like it took a long time? Yeah. That's okay. That's okay. We can be patient. We can learn to be patient. Usually early is very fast. My cash account to 72. Okay, we shouldn't have a $400 loss. What's going on? Glenn, these questions need to go to Irma. Or Ninja Trader. Not sure why you would ever have a $400 loss. The stop loss was very far away. Mike put the egg. I love it, Mike. I love it. I was sitting on my hands. Good. Extra well done eggs. Yeah, ooh, hard boiled. I love a hard boiled egg. Okay. Nice job, Jason. I saw your post in the results channel. Very nice. William. Let's go, let's go. William posting his results. Jason, one of my students, $750. Great job, Jason. William, listen, $100 a day on all of your Apex accounts is all you need. I think Apex is probably going to do another sale soon, either 80 or 90%, probably with Labor Day coming
Target
up.
filled.
Oh, I already heard a target filled. And blah, 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 blah. Oh, I think that's one of the ones I'm testing. That's something different. We don't care about that. Green, $575 on the ES long on conservative. My cash entry was 14,671. That was my cash entry. But you have to understand how slippage works. 1 to 2 points is not a big deal. That is normal. Y'all, and I'm going to pull up that order ticket again so you guys can see this. Or I could even show you. I'll just pull up the order ticket. Because, y'all, just because you want to be filled at the same price doesn't mean that they actually have orders to be filled. Look, these are the sizes that they have. If they only have 1 or 4, you can't imagine that you're going to get filled at the same exact price. And this is a normal thing in all markets. This is not just a futures thing. When you're buying Tesla, you're not just going to always get the price that you want. Like, even if you put a limit orders turn into market orders once they're hit. Pinks in a long trade, nice. Santa's long from 67.25, very nice. It went up to 700. So the point is, look at the bid and the ask. How many are there? Glenn, are you on this call? Are you on the call, Glenn? I'm asking him because I don't know if he is or not. Seems like not. They're just like posting. Y'all, a 1 to 2 points on NQ is not a big deal. Now, if it's like 5 points, that's different. But there's also really no control that we have over this. When you get into a trade, it goes through your broker. If you're using Apex, If it's going through Apex, then it's going through the Apex broker. If it's going through Ninja Trader's the broker. But regardless, you can't control how your stuff is filled. Like there's no control over that. So either you like it or you don't like it or whatever. But the point is, we are subject to the market. If there's no one there to sell you a contract when you want to buy, then you're not going to get in at that price. And that's all it is. So as soon as the algo says, okay, we're going to take a trade, it's filling you at whatever the next available price is with the size that you want to take. Someone has to be willing to sell for you to get in the long. Tap, 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 tap. Does that make sense? Like, I feel like we've been talking about this a lot in chat, and then the same questions are coming up in the group, and I need people to just listen. So, all right. So that's that. Sorry, lots happened. What? What's that? All right. So, yeah. So even if you're using Apex or if you're using cash, there's always going to be slippage, especially in a market that there's a lot of liquidity, but there's not a lot of people at each tick, if that makes sense. If you go to ES, that's why ES is slow as hell, because ES is a slow baby, because there's at every bid and ask, and I can put up the order ticket again, and we can put it on ES instead of NQ. I'll show you the difference. Look at this. Look at ES. 50, 38, 40, 20, 40, 50, 60. There are so many more people trading ES than NQ, but that's also why it's slow. NQ moves faster because there's not as many orders at every tick. You see this 59, 60. Sometimes there could be 100, and this is at every single tick. Every single tick, there are people sitting there. But if there aren't people sitting there, or if you're using NQ, let's go to NQ, and NQ is a great product, but it's a lot less liquid. Look at this, 2, 3, 4, 5, and look how fast it's moving. People have to be there to sell you an order if you want to buy. There's not just orders, there's not
canceled.
just room sitting on the market. If you want to get a buy, if you want to get along in the market, there has to be someone willing to sell it to you. These are all orders. Some could be sells, some could be buys, but they're sitting here and they're going so fast. The market is, especially for the first hour or two, the market is moving so quickly. Slippage is always going to be a factor. It just is what it is.
Order submitted.
All right. I'm glad that is clear now. Let's focus back on what has been happening. ES conservative is still in this long, $250. Nothing else is in a trade right now. Let's go through what we've already had this morning. ES Night, right here, 1 for 1
Order
for $125. Gold this morning, 1 for 1 for $200. ZB this morning, 1 for 1 for 300. No, for, where's my ZB? $250. RTY range, 1 for 1, $125. ES range,
Order
1
submitted.
for 1. I take a lot of contracts on this, so it's a $300 win for me, but I think normally it's like a $60 win. NQ early, 1 for 1 for 100? Oh yeah, because I have a small target there. And that's it. So good. So nice. Thanks, Jen, for pinning that. I speak from pain.
Order submitted. Target filled.
Sorry. All right, let's look at Said you're not the only one. Gotta go. Thanks for your live stream. Bye, Jeff. Have a great Friday. Oh, Etsy's in along. I remember I was saying none of the...
Order submitted. Order filled.
So that's another thing. If you're running evals, if you're running evaluation accounts with Apex and then you're also running PA accounts, the PA accounts are on the live market. The eval accounts are not. So this was a good topic that Tim just brought up because his eval accounts had a much worse entry. Remember, your evals are on simulation. Like, they're not really trading in the live market. So you're kind of at the mercy of Apex and whatever they're using as their simulation
Order submitted.
processor, because it's
Target filled.
it's not actually a trade. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not actually a trade on the market because you're in evaluation, so it's in simulation. Sounds good, William. Make sure you post first. I think, well, you already did. What am I saying? Let's look at some results. So does that make sense, Tim? Kyle, I'm a swag to succeed. Look at $500, $500, $500, $1,500. Jonathan, nice small, adding cushion to those accounts. Very nice. Yep, we're done. Exactly. Daniel, $150 on all of his Apex accounts. Very nice. Let's get some love in the chat. I'm going to have to get through everyone. Down Trader, $50 on AMD. I'll take it. Have a good weekend. Nice. He's running some of the stocks. I love to see it. Is AMD the only one I don't have? Oh, no, AMD I did, but it didn't trigger. Jason H, $125 on all of his accounts. Put the little robot on there. K Lavender, Green Day should be my favorite band. Green Day. But they're not. Who knows? No Sim, all active accounts. She made anywhere from $25 to $240 on all of her accounts. Nice job, K Lavender. Jerome made $165 on all of his accounts. Big Bussa. Green Day. I used to like Green Day. I really did. It's definitely like a great explanation on Apex evals. Yeah, and I never really thought about it before, but yeah, you're trading on simulation, so I don't know how they, like, what they use or like how that works, but it's not going to be the best, you know what I'm saying? So just be even tighter with your evals, I guess, is what's coming out of this conversation. You need to be even more conservative with your evals than you thought you had to be, unless one's close to busting and you're just kind of YOLOing it. But honestly, if evals are getting in the trades later than a live Apex account, like a PA account or a live cash account, that's something we need to understand and take into consideration. So I'm glad that could be helpful. Until proven profitable, you're a trading simulation in PA also. What? Oh. No, Powerboat, that's actually not true. You have to get back over the 3,000, but you have a PA account. Obviously, you can't withdraw, and you have to trade, right? So I guess you're saying you have to trade those 10 days. You have to trade 10 days once you have your PA account, correct? And you have to get over that 52,000, like 600. It's definitely a learning process. But once you get it down, like, you can really just like hit that button and cash out every day, which is insane. It really is crazy when you think about it, like the opportunity that it can be if you're willing to be patient enough, and you can do it. Toppling with some manual sim trades bottle. Nice job. Karan's one of my students. I'm getting there. Yeah, if you can be patient enough and not set your expectations or your goals so high. Like, look at Jonathan. He's so happy being done. $77, $72, $800, whatever. You make $100 on each account, $200. That's huge. It's huge. And that doesn't mean you have to turn the algos off. I'm just saying you could even do that with 5 micros a day. Like, you could do 5 micros, never be in hot water with your evaluation accounts or the beginning of your PA account, and just be killing it. So, you know, but it takes time. It's not going to be overnight. It's not going to be in 3 days or whatever. Now, the people that are running Santa or taking a little more of an aggressive approach, they might pass their evaluation in 3 days and then just be kind of sitting around waiting for those 7 days of trading to be done. But that's not, you know, that's also not the best approach. The approach is what you want it to be, but I think most people start to settle down after they've busted a few Apex accounts, and then they say, you know what, I need to kind of reevaluate, and they do, and then they do much better. So whatever that is, whether you're running too many strategies or whether you're turning some on one day and then you turn it off the next day and you should be running it every day, that kind of thing, there's a lot of different ways. Past 18 Apex eval accounts. Nice job, Kelly. Proud of you. Now you got to pay for all of them. That's also annoying. Did anybody find out with Lysandra's question about if you sign the contract within 48 hours, do you have to also pay within 48 hours, or could you wait to pay for them and they would just sit there essentially? Kevin said, all my Apex evals hit TP right away in 38 seconds. Jason, I'm only running TP1 on ZB, and it hit target before, right after market open. You have to pay. Okay, so it all has to be done within the 48 hours. Well, it's good to know. Etsy's in a long with just 100 shares, $28. Even that, like 100 shares of Etsy's price, because of the market moving so much lower in 2022, stocks are really at a little bargain. So we're in this long on Etsy, and that's in the premium group, but we're long at 74. So what's 74 times 100? Is that only $700? Am I doing the math correctly? Yeah, right? Oh no, 70. Ignore me. 70. At first I was thinking 7,000, and then for some reason I convinced myself that it was 700. All right, so $7,000. If you have that in your TD Ameritrade trading account, you know, $10,000, whatever, you could, obviously there are PDT rules that you need to be aware of, but you could trade one stock, like turn it on maybe, you know, 3 times a week, and that's it. And it's up, you know, $40, $50, like, I don't know his actual first name, but he just made $50 on AMD, and I know that's small, but the risk is also pretty small on those. Some people are waiting on day 6 to collect the money and then pass. Oh, that makes sense, Powerboat babe. Very cool. Good to know, for sure. How are we doing on this line? See, this is why I don't like this one on here, because it's distracting from what I like to see, which is just this. Like, this was such a crazy level, this 65.
Order filled. Target filled.
So, on the day, I'm green $1,107, and I've only taken 2 manual trades. My face is so glossy right now. Hey, YouTube people. If you want more info, please email me. BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. It's on the screen. We had a fun live last night. We also did some market replay, which was nice. Remember, how was that NQ long? Didn't you guys say your pink was in a long? It got up pretty nicely, to 700 or whatever it was. I had a level at 689 too. 697. Where's my student play? What was the lovely shorts of that one? Great call, Lauren. Thanks, guys. Nice job, students. 720. I was hoping it was going to pull up to 720. It pulled up to 700. So, and I also have a level here at 690. So, you know, we got to the whole number, and I probably should have noticed that in my call, but the whole number of 700, and then it turned around. So, as a student, if you were on the call this morning, you probably got at least some of this play, if not more. 640. Also the play here. What time was this? This was 9:30 right when it opened. 40 down to 20, so 20 points there. I think that's what Karan got. NQ Pig stopped out. Okay. 2 plays off of. Cool, Jason. Let's not put that in chat. Got it. Very cool. Lauren, this will be confused. I am Alex. Right now I'm on my husband's account and I am Power Up Babe on TikTok. Oh, hey! That makes much more sense. Am I saying it right, Alex? I'm running what was suggested to be 1, 2. It doesn't look like stop. One stopped. It's still going long. Still reading it wrong. Yeah, Jason, make sure you put your chart trader on. Well, so firstly, number 1, you shouldn't even be running ZB. So it wasn't suggested to you. Number 2, you should only be running NQ early and NQ later as a new member. Number 3, turn on your chart trader. That will show you the entry and the current P&L on the trade. 4, it hit TP1, so your stop loss should be in the green for TP2, which means the trade is guaranteed green regardless. There you go, Jason. Read all that. Yeah, it's okay, other Jason. It's okay. I know sometimes it's hard. I don't have issues with following. I have multiple Apex accounts with the same target, same like someone other targets that get filled. Okay, so Travis, again, Apex questions need to go in the Apex channel, guys. And if you're talking about a trade from today, it needs to just go in chat. I feel like new folks, this is where you should be discussing the trades from today. Apex or cash. I feel like new folks are not understanding that things should, that chat is a thing and that it's happening. Like, there's too many new people just posting, like, regular conversations in random other places, like they don't know that chat is a thing. You need to come to chat, click on replies, looks like this. Click on chat, chat channel, and then click on replies. That's it. That is where we talk about trades from today, whether it's Apex or cash. You talk about your fills, you talk about your misses, you talk about all that. You can run it on Sim. That is fine. I don't know why I posted it there, because if people were in there, they would already be in there. So that is not where I should be posting that. If you have a discussion, question, comment about anything that has happened today with your trades, your account, your fills, they need to go into today's daily chat. Click on chat, then click on replies for the day that it currently is. That was a fun one. Isn't it good for TikTokers to hear these things? What, the clicky stuff? Some people hate it. Too many Jasons here. I need to change my name to Jen. Clicky, clicky. There is Abdul, we need to talk because none of them should have hit stop loss. Maybe you hit the drawdown. You hit the drawdown. None hit the stop loss. They pulled back a good amount and then went to target. And Abdul, you're probably on the call because you're always on the call. But I'm confused about your post because none of the setups hit loss today. But this is, again, when you have a PA account, you still have to be aware that you have to build that cushion. You have to build that cushion. You have to make sure you're taking appropriate sizing. So it seems like one of his accounts hit, one or two, but the other ones did not. But the loss looks, you're here, the loss looks on the smaller size. So did you just busted the trail or what? Because none of them hit the actual loss. The short bus is filling up, standing room only. No, stop, Kevin, because then I'm going to get in trouble again. It was more of a general question, not seriously today, but understood. Well, yes, we talk about fills in here as well. It's something that comes up quite often. And I actually went into great detail on the live stream about slippage, different entries, and why it happens.
Order submitted.
It can't be avoided. It's just part of trading. Where are we at? Where are we at? Lots of information. Early, close to taking another trade. Are we in it? Am I in it right now? Yeah, I think I am. We're already in it. Eggs, let's go. We gotta get this push. ES conservative. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Up, 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 up. You can do it. I gotta get back to my cheerleading. Come on, NQ. You can do it. I believe in you. Yes, yes, yes. You are the best. There's a level at 65. This 65 is tough. You can do it, NQ. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You can push back up, 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 up. You got it, girl. You got it. Let's go. I think Jen was exhausted yesterday, and I'm feeling quite exhausted today on this. Well, that one, we could still move up here. I gotta see. I don't know. This one is not so ideal in my mind, but ES conservative is still in the long, so we'll see. Let's push up. Let's find some support. Let me look at my 20-minute chart. Ooh, we do have, well, that's quite a bit down. We have support at 13. We also actually do have support here at 28. So let's see, at 28, we can move up. Let's get back up to 60. Come on, NQ. You can do it. You can do it. There we go. Support at 28 is coming in. We're back up at 37. We need to get up to 65 essentially, or 60. NQ might not be having it today, which will make me sad. I don't know. It kind of wants to turn down here. Got it. Thank you. Yes, I know. I guess I read the comment late. Ugh. Frustrating. Frustrating. NQ. Let's go. But see, then and this is where it can get emotional and then kind of take over. This is a strong level here at 610. We need to push up. It's 1017. I don't know how, when I got home, I'll check. I'll let you guys know. Okay. Yeah, send it to Irma, please. Fridays, the last 2 Fridays, I spoke about this earlier. The last 2 Fridays have been really hard on my manual trading. So I told myself that I wasn't going to be doing any, and I've only taken 2 manual trades today because, again, not ideal. When I get home, I'll check. Okay, sounds good. Please send to Irma. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Did I say I have a level at 35? Let's get back over that 36. Come on, NQ. You can do it. You can do it. Let's get back over that 36. Do we need the order ticket thing back up here? Let's get back over 36, and then we got to go to 50. We can do it. We can do it, NQ. You can do it, NQ. I believe in you. I believe in you. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Over 36. We got to get over 36. Turn down for what? Let's go, B. I love it. We got to get over 36. If we can get over 36, we can keep going higher back to 50. Let's go, let's go, let's go, NQ. Push, 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 push. There we go, there we go. 34. Here we go. Let's go. 36. After 36, then it's 50. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 36, 36, 36. There we go. 35. I saw 35. Let's go, NQ. You got this, girl. 36. Yes. Go, go, go. I saw 35, 50. Go. Over 36. Go, go, go. Nice. Back to 40. We're back to 40. We're back to 40. We're in the 40s. We're at 45. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Maybe 43. There we go. 45, 45. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 49, 50. We're at 50. Let's go. Let's go, NQ. You got this. Above 50. Let's go. We want 60. We want 60 and then 65. Let's go, NQ. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. 57. Let's go, NQ. Let's go. We got up to 49.75. My students know why it's a little hard here. My students are very aware of this kind of area. We can do it. Let's go, NQ. You can push. You can push. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Let's go. Let's go, NQ. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. We're at 50. Let's go. Let's go to 60. Let's go 52. 53, 55, 60. I saw 56. I saw 56. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Push, push, push. We need 60. We need 60. 58, 59, 62. Eggs. Eggs in the chat. Eggs in the chat. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, eggs in the chat, y'all. Eggs in the chat. Thank you, Chris. Let's go. Target hit. I gotta find my little thing and put it back up. Hold on. Woo, woo, woo. I was a little nervous about that one. Could you tell? Usually I'm too busy to even notice, and then I was like, ugh. Like, we were just back at that hard level again. 65 is very, very hard. Like, 65 is so hard. It's really so hard. You know what they're actually trying to do? They're trying to push it into this Eastern European close. But again, 65 is still really a hard level. So don't get too ballsy here. Best thing is just not luck. It's just to not luck. And it's so true. If I had like signed off already, I would have been doing something else and I wouldn't have even noticed. But I was like, that's how I was feeling. Nice recovery for the NQ. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. ES conservative is still in this long. Again, this is something that typically plays out like the entire day. We're at 65. Let's see what happens here. They're going to try to push it through going into this Eastern European close. Next would be 75. Let's go. Let's go. I think everybody already hit target, so we're good there. I'm very happy about that. These people outside are making so much noise. So much. All right, that 65 is holding true. It's coming back down to that 65. So now it's really just between 65 and 75. If it breaks below the 65, going back to 50 for sure. Oops, I moved that there. But they're trying to run it up into this 10:30 close. There's 8 minutes until the Eastern European market closes. I want to see if we can drop back to 50 real quick. I have $100 there. All right, cool. You need to look so you can cheer for it. That's true. Because I am NQ's cheerleader and ES. ES actually likes. I love to see how the liquidity was brought up when it dropped. We love it. We love it. All right, it's 10:23. I'm going to wrap it up. Remember, Jen will be live at 2 p.m. Make sure you follow along. Hit that little bell button. Jen will be live at 2 p.m. and then I will be live next Monday. So have a great weekend. If you have any questions, please go to Irma or please send us an email, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Would love to have you as part of the team here at the group. We have a lot of fun if it's not evident enough. And I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye. All right, YouTube. I'll see you